On June 25, 2025, in the state of Ohio, police officers pulled over a blue Kia Forte that was being driven without functioning tail or brake lights. A records check revealed that the driver, a 22-year-old nurse, had a suspended driver's license. When officers instructed her to exit the vehicle so it could be towed, she refused to comply, locked herself inside, and resisted their commands, forcing officers to use physical force to remove and arrest her. During the struggle, she screamed and accused the officers of racial discrimination.
What's that? Where are you staying at now? What's that? You have insurance card to me? Sit tight for me. .477 radio deal.
477.
He's in the next 31 for a blue Kia Forte brake. Contact's going to be 2. She's going to be cited with the non-compliant suspension, seatbelt, and brake lights required. What's up? You ever have anybody stop right in the middle of the freeway when you pulled them over? You ever have anybody stop right in the middle of the freeway when you pulled them over? She stopped right here. I'm hawking, then she goes in sideways. I'm like, you got no brake lights.
Most of the time it's up here too.
Yeah.
Like, all the way up here.
Yeah. I'm like, you got no brake lights. How am I supposed to know that? I'm like,
check your car.
yeah. You want to go and do the hook for me?
Yeah.
And then maybe we could transfer her up to Rockside or something. Thank you. What's your phone number? You need to put your current address right here, and then I'll explain the ticket to you. I don't know why you're getting mad at me for it. Well, you shouldn't be driving. Put your current address right there, and then sign it. Lee Road, is that Maple or where is that at? Maple, what's it? It says you for the non-compliant suspension, not wearing the seatbelt, and not having your brake lights. We're going to have to tow the car. Alright, so you go and gather any belongings you have, and then we'll take you up to the Rockside Road as far as we can go. All right, you gotta make other arrangements. You can't safely drive this vehicle. One, you don't have a driver's license. Two, you don't have a working brake light or tail lights. Your court date's mandatory court date is going to be on the 10th of July, 1 p.m. If you have any questions, there's a phone number on the back of the site for you.
So where she wants to go?
She says something about getting her daughter.
What?
She says something about getting her daughter. We can just take her to the Rockside. Drop her off to the Burger King or something up there. She said she just got cited today. I don't know how the guy didn't tow her car.
Let me just take her and then...
That's fine. That's cool.
When the officer ordered her to step out of the vehicle, she refused and shouted, "You have no right to do that. This is my car, so I'm not going anywhere." The officer calmly explained, "We do have the right because your driver's license is suspended and this vehicle isn't safe to operate. If you don't get out, we'll have to use force." She continued to lock herself inside the car, gripping the steering wheel tightly, yelling for help, and even accusing the officers of being racist cops.
No, touch. I said no.
don't have no
You gotta
permission
get out of the car.
I don't have no
Get out of the car.
I don't have no permission to do that.
What? Yes. Don't make this harder on yourself than you already are. You have to get out of the car now.
They have no right to do that.
Yes, we do. You need to get out of the vehicle now.
There's no phone.
You need to get out or we're going to drag you out. Get out of the vehicle, please. Get out of the vehicle. Yeah. No. You need to get out. We're towing the vehicle. You need to get out of the vehicle. You're just going to make this worse. You're about 5 you're 5 seconds for getting arrested. You're 5 seconds for getting out of the vehicle.
Why are they touching me? I'm falling away!
Get out of the vehicle.
Get back! Help me! You a racist ass cop, and I hope that you don't never be a cop again. But don't ever tell a woman.
Good?
Yep. There's another one for someplace.
That one's somebody else.
477 radio. We're gonna have a 21 for obstruction and resisting.
I don't know where yours is.
My what?
Your citation.
What'd she say?
You just need to find it out.
I don't know.
Transit, please, on public service, they advise after we
Just got this one today too.
this thing that he has pain in his
Huh?
arm and his
Stay
groin.
I don't know why the hell they didn't tow our vehicle.
Just like lipstick and stuff.
Huh?
Just like lipstick and stuff, you know.
You got our keys? Probably for the house.
I'm gonna take her
Huh?
back. I'm gonna take her back.
Alright, make sure somebody meets you there.
You also gonna have to come back here and just search you really quick.
I'm just going to pat you down real quick. Do you have anything on you that can poke me or stick me? Any piercings that I can't see? Are you bringing any? No? Oh, your belly, okay. Are you bringing anything in with you that you shouldn't be bringing into jail? No? Okay. Can you turn around and face the wall?
In the end, the case of the 22-year-old nurse in Ohio closed with a sense of regret. What could have been resolved calmly within minutes turned into a tense and noisy arrest, all because of one impulsive decision. In court, she bowed her head and admitted her mistake. The $900 fine wasn't severe, but the lesson was costly. When facing the law, remaining calm and cooperative is always the quickest path to respect and protection. The incident quickly spread across social media, becoming a powerful reminder of the importance of police body cameras and the personal responsibility of every driver on the road. Once a young nurse in a white coat saving lives, She now stands as a cautionary example for her own community. A small mistake on the road can sometimes change the entire course of a life.